Do a little video. Got a tree here, fence, yard, playground set, house, building, a hackberry tree untied in, another building. There was a fence down to there. Brush for days.
Tell you what though, for a 4-man crew, we knocked some shit out today.
And then there's a whole nother tree. Oh yeah, I got brush over here. Broke the fence right there. I didn't put a rope in that piece, I should have. And then we got that ash tree in the front there. Over top of houses. And a shed and fence and...
Dude, I used to have this big burly chick, my old boss used to have her come work with us, Rachel Holmgren, in her 50s, dude.
That land is going over their porch.
Jesus, you know, she walked with
Brown ripped me off.
Damn, bitch. It's like your fucking car.
$750.
It would not surprise me if she was.